Behold, bless ye the Lord, all ye servants of the Lord, which by night stand in the house of the Lord. Lift up your hands in the sanctuary and bless the Lord. The Lord had made heaven and earth. Bless thee out of Zion. Psalm 134, verse 1 to 3. Our verse for the day. Just want to welcome everyone at this time. This is a special moment for each and every one of us. And today we have a very special topic which I will present to you, that we will talk about vitamins and supplements. The benefit of vitamin and supplement, not only to fight inflammation, we'll concentrate on that, and also I'll go a little bit in details about also what we can do, how beneficial vitamin really do in our body when we take them. So we're gonna start with vitamin A. First of all, vitamin A, we all know it. It's a very powerful vitamin, and we can get it in so many foods, so many other stuff, especially the leafy greens things, and your vegetables, you know, and it's very good. So we can get it in carrots. It's really good for our eyes. So vitamin A, it boosts your immunity system and it guards against infectious diseases. Taking 10,000 units of vitamin A for about 1 to 2 weeks may help you heal after an exercise related injury. Let's say that you went for a workout, for jogging, or you're walking, or you're doing some kind of movement, playing sports or things like that, and you injure yourself. There's a vitamins that you can start taking right away, and you can keep taking it for about 2 weeks to get an improvement, so your injury can heal better, and then you can move around better. So as soon as some injury happen, before any inflammation, before anything happen, take vitamin A. Vitamin A is easy to find. So like I said, it's in our foods, our legumes, the leafy greens. So it's one high in our liver, and fish oil, milk, eggs, and leafy greens. It's so beneficial. You can also get the pills of vitamin A. Make sure you get, when we talk about taking pills, it's, you have to know for sure it's 100% natural, organic, and you don't want any chemical, anything like that when we talk about taking vitamins pill, beside other things that you can eat to increase the vitamins, the daily requirement that you have to get into the body. So vitamin A is a very important vitamin, especially for injury, sport related exercise injury, and for our skin, for our eyes, and it's good for our liver and all this. Now, we talk about bromelain. Hmm, it's from the pineapple juice. That's why pineapple is very good. You can eat pineapple, just peel the pineapple. And there's another secret about the pineapple skin. And the recipe for smoothie, for all the stuff that you can get the full things of it. But now we're talking about just to get the bromelain that's come in the pineapple. You can eat the pineapple. You can have the juice, the pineapple juice. But I like just cut and slide in the pineapple and just enjoy the sour taste in it, and sweetened together and melted. And at the first bite, it's how, and then after that, it's so powerful. It's so juicy and so yummy. It's something that you can enjoy it as a juice in a smoothie, or just eat the food and save the skin. Yes, save the skin. There's gonna be more details about that. Don't get rid of your pineapple skin, ladies. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Then you have this enzyme that packs an anti-inflammatory power and it supports your immunity system, your immune system. And it's sometimes used to treat tendinitis. You know what tendinitis? It's an inflammation of the tendons. So in minor muscle injury like sprains and things like that. Some studies have shown bromelain may ease inflammation after dental, nasal, and foot surgeries. So pineapple is so beneficial when you can get this that can ease any inflammation problems that you have, especially after dental inflammation or you have your teeth hurt or something like that. Inflammation by the gingiva, it's get inflamed and things like that. So nasal congestion, and even you have some inflammation of the nasal, things like that. Any pain anywhere, you having a discomfort. Pineapple is really, really, really beneficial. So do not neglect having pineapple at any time, especially the juice. Believe it or not, it helps in so many other different things. So let's say that we're talking about inflammation, injury, things like that. How vitamins, supplement can help you. But pineapple is so beneficial in so many ways, especially ladies and men. When we drink a lot of pineapple juice, it helps beneficial. It's benefit our health. Okay. Um, More research is needed. I mean, they can keep doing a lot more research about that, but there's a lot more research is going on about bromelain that we find in the pineapple juice. Doctors usually suggest taking capsules or tablets. Well, why? Pineapple right there. Get a bunch of pineapples. There always pineapple at the store. I always see pineapple. Only time to me it's like there's not even a season where you don't find pineapple, and they're always good price. So if the juice is not enough, guys, eat the fruits. That's why they're encouraging you to to take the tablet, to swallow tablet or the capsule, but because you can drink one glass, one full glass of juice, it might not be enough. You get your pineapple, slide it, and eat it. You can eat your pineapple all day or save it for the next day, and you'll meet all the requirements. Okay. Next, do you guys know what is this? A very nice anti-inflammatory solution, capsaicin. That's not the hot stuff in chili pepper. It's not a group of protein that control your body's response to inflammations. You can find capsaicin in product you put directly on your skin. You can also shake dry cayenne in your sauce in meat rubs. Start with one quarter teaspoon or less to see. But you know what? I love cayenne pepper. Hey, I didn't know cayenne pepper was so beneficial in so many things till I have experienced the benefit, the full benefit for pain, for inflammation, for all discomfort, even though for acid reflux. You're not gonna believe it. It helps. It works. 'Cause this is it. Capsaicin. That's cayenne pepper, guys. Believe it or not. This is cayenne pepper. You don't have to really get it that way. You can get the cayenne pepper seasoned things and you put it, but you get this too. You chop it, slide it, and put it in your meat, in your cooking, in your sauce, in your food. Oh my God, and your legumes and your beans. Oops. Boom. Not only you eat, you enjoy eating with a full stomach. That food that you eat also, that food that you eat, guys, also is your medicine. It's your healing medicine. It's what you're taking for what's going on wrong with you, for the pain, for the discomfort. And it's your whole problem solved. Not only you get a full stomach, you get, and cayenne pepper also help in weight loss and so many beneficial and every other things. And it boosts your immunity, increase your sweating and an exercise. Cayenne pepper, you can even put it in some drink in the morning. Ha! You mix it with a tiny little bit of honey, and it's all good. It's all good. There's so many benefits on that, so many health benefits. Keep taking cayenne pepper, but I want to tell you guys this. I'm gonna pause for a second in my third page, in my third page third page out of 13 that I have to go to. Let me tell you, all these informations that is provided to you by me, don't just go ahead and just say, okay, I said so. Because you yourself and your doctor know what's going on with your health. Cayenne pepper might not be suitable for you, but it is suitable for me. It can be beneficial for others. So consult your doctor, please. Talk to your health professional. In the most of all, do your research. Study. Go online. Google. Go on YouTube. Get information. Understand your body. What's going on with you? Talk to your health professional, your doctor. All your test results. Be on top of your health and know exactly what's going on before you can seek natural cure, natural health, natural medicine. Don't just take it from one person and just go apply it. What's worked for me might not work for you. What's worked for you might not work for me. So, before all, keep that in mind when watching the videos. Not only my video, every other person's video, because that's how you learn. We are all not the same. We all different. So please keep that in mind. All these health benefits I'm giving you about natural health, don't just go ahead and practice them without doing your own research or learning. This is not this is not something you can just go ahead. Remember my disclaimer. It's not something you can just go ahead and apply for your own health and say it's gonna work. It works for me, and I take advantage of it, and I love to share it with you. And I know it works for others. And those information that I'm providing to you, they are well studied and coming from good source, as you can see, good information provided to you. So I'm just letting you know. Talk to your doctor about everything you hear before you practice. That's clear. Let's move on. Okay. Oof, oof. Ooh, ooh, look at this cat's claw fingers. Name for its hook. This vine grows in South and Central America. If you have rheumatoid arthritis, see the shape. It's sad. Yes, it is. It's all, you know, painful and things like that. It really hurts. Ask your doctor if it might help. A small study found people who took the supplement with standard or a treatment has less joint swelling and pain, but there's no evidence it can ward off joint damage that comes with oil. Rheumatoid arthritis, that's oil. Cat's claw also has compound though to aid your immunity, your immune system, okay? It's sold as a pill of or capsule and can be made into a tea. So for people that have, it can be in the feet and the joints, arthritis happen in your joints, anywhere in your joints. So that's something you can take. Woohoo! My favorite again. This anti-inflammatory. This, as you see, it's called curcumin. It is everything. It is everything. The turmeric things. I don't know what take me so long before, but I've been using it for years. But I feel like that's something I should have started using way years past by. Like maybe I should have been using it for a good 20, 30 years. I think I've been using it for 10 years. So I feel like I was missing out in a good 10, 15 years. So, or, 30, or 20 years. So I have not been living that long, but it's like as soon as I know, I should have started using it myself. It's so healthy, so beneficial in so many ways. Curcumin is found in turmeric. This yellow thing you see, I got the powder, I got the roots, curcumin woods, and I like using it in so many, many different things. By the way, face scan and everywhere, tea, drink, food, oops, you name it. Okay, I said curcumin is found in turmeric and gives the spice its yellow hue. This traditional Indian medicinal herb is known for its natural antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Studies show curcumin might help with certain conditions, including arthritis, inflammatory bowel disease, and fatty liver disease. You can find it in the spice. It's also in capsule, cream, drinks, and spray. Forget all this. A capsule. Okay. Yes, you can take the capsule, you can take the pills, you can take the tablets, you can go ahead and you can also make it yourself. You can also buy turmeric tea. You drink every day. I love tea. I love tea. I think I can keep drinking tea every day, so many days and all the time, anytime. Tea is my number one thing. I don't do coffee though. Tea is always that I go with, I go by. So there's latte you can make up from with the turmeric thing. It's so healthy, so beneficial, so good, guys. Um, you will enjoy it. You put it in your milk. Oh gosh, you put it some of this cinnamon onto it. Put in milk and cinnamon, and then you simmer it together. A little honey, if you like, or what. I have the latte already prepared. I have it in so many different forms. Just take a spoon and put it. This is the best thing for your immune system, for your inflammatory, a good antioxidant, a good anti-inflammatory property, a good anti-cancer medicine as well, and good for arthritis. Oh, inflammatory bile disease, gosh, fatty liver too. This is a great thing for weight loss. Oh, for beautiful skin. I make oh, I made a mask with it for my face. For acne, for clear skin, for dark skin spots, removal, every single thing. Turmeric is my, I would say, number one. With ginger together are so many number ones that I have, but it's a category of my group one. So all this included. So somehow include this in your daily diet. I'm not kidding. I'm serious. Daily things. Somehow it's beneficial. Check your health to know the amount you should take. Can you keep enjoying it all the time? If you're on blood thinner, I wouldn't recommend it, even for the cayenne pepper, because those things really increasing your blood movement and things like that. So that's another reason you need to talk to your doctor about things like that. So it might not be beneficial for you, but if you're in good health and you want to stay in good health, you want to keep living in good health, this is the way to go. Next, we have so much to talk about. Okay, we are getting to our vitamin E. Ooh, 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 ooh. I see a lot of stuff. I see greens, I see oil, I see nuts, and I see meat. Packed with antioxidants, vitamin E boosts your immune system and may also ease inflammation. If you have rheumatoid arthritis, you might find it helps manage pain when used with standard treatment. So, vitamin E is also good for the rheumatoid arthritis and when you have inflammations. So, it's also is inflammatory inflammation like painful joints location in your body. Vitamin E boosts your immune system. Please. That's another vitamins beside all these vitamins we have to take around this time. You can easily get it from the foods you eat. Can you imagine? It's in our olive oil that we use to cook. It's in almonds, the nuts, or pretty much a lot of nuts have it. Peanuts, it's good, full of vitamin E. In your meat, in your dairy product, those leafy greens, and even fortified cereals. So if you need extra vitamin E, your doctor might prescribe it in drops or capsule form. But also you can increase eating most of those stuff, especially the nuts. If you're okay with that, you don't have any kind of sensitivity or allergies to them, almonds, peanuts. And also leafy greens is another good, it's a very another good one to get vitamins D. Talk to your doctor if you need more of this vitamin E's in your body and you can't find it anywhere, so you can have it. The time is going, and I don't want to make this too long. I feel like I've been talking too long, but this is another great inflammatory garlic. Oh my God. Garlic is another number one in the list for inflammatory, to fight pain, to a good antioxidant, anti-cancer, antiviral, anti-infections. Oh my goodness. This is another number one, garlic. Ooh, you can't go wrong with garlic. I love my garlic. I don't care about the smell or the taste. Give me garlic all the time. Garlic, 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 garlic. I vote for it. Garlic water is so beneficial in so many ways. Just like I love taking my lemon water in the morning, guys. Sometimes I take my garlic water in the morning too. It's so cleansing, it's so food detoxing, so purifying. I can go on with that. Check your health though. If you don't want to have too much garlic, it can really put your blood pressure way down. There's side effect and all those things. You just have to make sure you understand and how you take them, how much you take, and all this. Please, that's what I say. Take care of your health. Follow your doctor. And do what you have to do, because those things are really good and beneficial and can keep you away from the doctor. But you just have to understand your body, understand what's going on with you, and talk to your doctor. Get to know what's going on with your body and to know what to do for your body and how to take this. So see a professional. The best thing, see a professional. So let's talk quick about garlic. Let's read what it says here. It's one of the breath mints. So yeah, I don't care about the smell. Like I just say, the smell of it. You can tell me that I smell like garlic. I don't care whether it smell like garlic, then smell some kind of disease out there. Garlic slows down two inflammatory enzyme and it clears the way for blood to get to your muscle. Add 2 4 fresh garlic cloves to your meal to fight swelling and pack flavor. I said 2 to 4 fresh garlic cloves to your meal to fight swelling. I put garlics in beans, I put garlics in rice, I put garlics in store and whatever and soup and anything that I'm cooking and my water and a soup. The only thing I don't put garlic is on the sweet, which I don't make most of the time. If I want something sweet, You can't put garlic in that. That's the only thing I avoid garlic on because this is different. But garlic is very good, very beneficial, which I don't really make too much of the sweet things in it. Once in a lifetime. Can't even remember. Maybe if I want to bake a cake for a special occasion. You won't put garlic in this. That's another thing. But garlic is so beneficial and so good and so healthy. And garlic water. And you can wrap garlic oil directly into swelling joints. I have garlic oil, guys. I do have garlic oil and muscles and pains and things like that too. So it's so uh, wonderful. If you prefer it from the bottle, look for aged garlic extract. Always organic on top of it. Organic. If it's not organic, no way. It's not my thing. Ask your doctor or pharmacist about the right doses. Look around the market, do your research, look online, study, you don't go comparison and see what's this, what's in that, and what's in this. Take time for your shopping for your health. Woohoo! My order number one thing and my number one list of all is ginger. I say that when I was talking about turmeric, garlic, turmeric, ginger, or my can go wrong with by treating inflammatory, by treating pain, if anything wrong with the body, joints or muscle or cramp or whatever, or you name it. Oops, inflammatory, it's number one things to go. Inflammatory is food things, garlic, turmeric, curcumin, ginger, you name it. Everything I talk about here and a lot more. So ginger, let me, like I said, I'm speeding up, guys. Bear with me. Research shows it has an anti-inflammatory power similar to ibuprofen. Cut ibuprofen because this is exactly similar to ibuprofen. It's the same thing. It has the same power similar to ibuprofen. Why can't you just go natural ibuprofen? Ginger is a natural ibuprofen right there. That's what research shows, not me. It's an anti-inflammatory power similar to ibuprofen. One study found that ginger extract time swelling and rheumatoid arthritis. Come on now. As well as steroid. It may cut muscle pain after exercise. Come on now. You work out, your body are all swelling and so stiff, and maybe you're in so much pain you can't move around. Get ginger. That's the solution. Drink a cup of warm ginger tea to relax this muscle, to release this pain, to increase the blood movement, and to do the things that you have to do. The fresh stuff might not be enough to get the health benefit, but in ginger capsules you can get that too. The ginger capsules, you can look for the word super critical extra on the label, and this means it's pure. So get the real thing out there. Get the ginger from the market. Real organic ginger, real organic ginger tablet, things like that. If you want extra thing in garlic too, they have, I don't know if I said it, but they also have garlic pills, so you can start taking too if you don't like. You can take capsules, garlic, or tablets. So you can, if you don't want to take the garlic, you don't want to start it, you can go with this too. So that's another health benefit to go. I have a few more to go, and then I'll be set. I'll take about, okay, I have 3 more pages to talk about. Let's talk about omega-3 fatty acid, and then I will be done in a few minutes. I won't keep you guys long. Like I said, I want to make this short, but there's so many good things, and I have more I want to give you guys about vitamins. I can keep talking about vitamins, but I don't want to make the videos too long. Please, oh my goodness, your omega-3 fatty acid, you know you're getting that from your fish, the best source, fish, your almond. I mean, your salmon. I'm sorry. I said almond. Did I say almond? Your salmon. I was thinking of other things. And you see the eggs. I was looking at the eggs too. You see the salmon right there? Nice seasoning with some rosemary next to it. All your finger, and then you get all your omega-3 fatty acid. That you don't have to do anything else. And your organic eggs and everything is. Our body don't make this. No. Our bodies doesn't do omega-3 fatty acid. So fish oil supplements are loaded with them, but you can also get the recommended amount from certain food. This includes fatty fish like salmon and tuna, kale, vegetable and flaxseed oil, nuts and eggs from flax-fed chicken. Says it. Yes, it's also beneficial for inflammatory, for pain. You need good omega 3 fatty acid to relieve inflammation, pain, inflammatory, pain in the muscle, pain in the body, pain in the joints. So that's another source. You can also go after it. Your salmon, eat your tuna for those who like that. Eat your kale. If your vegetable and your flaxseed oil, your nuts, that's where almond was coming from. You can get your nuts. You can get your flax seeds too. And your eggs. All these are so beneficial for to fight inflammation in the body. Let's see if I have that. Whew. Foods, foods, foods. Your raspberry, your strawberries, your blueberries, all your berries. Berries family. It's the number one in healing inflammatory. I put everything in number one. You can see that I keep saying everything is number one because all of them have beneficial effect for inflammatory. So this is the number one package for all inflammation in the body. Resveratrol, that's what they have in them that's actually help. This natural compound is found in some berries and nuts. Some researchers suggest that it may help with arthritis. Grab a handful of grapes, peanuts, pistachios, blueberries, cranberries, or mulberries. All berries you can get, all grapes, all nuts, all those, and just stuff them into your mouth and enjoy it. And remember, food is your medicine. This is how you heal the body. You grab a bunch and then you eat him, and then he goes to this bloodstream and then start distributing it all over your body, and then there you go, healing start to occur. Do not neglect eating. Eat all the time and eat good stuff, good foods. Always go for the best if you can. Organic one. Then you know you stay away from those chemical spray, all those pesticide. So you clean from it. So you can get those and you know you actually and wash it. Wash your foods. If you can get that organic things, buy the foods that you can get. Go ahead and wash them. Wash them real clean with apple cider vinegar. You know, make sure you wash them and then you enjoy the spray thing, whatever that they use to spray them, the chemicals, then it'll go away and then you can enjoy your foods and it won't kill into the body. That's the number one thing you can do. Do not stop neglecting because you can't find the organic, you can afford the organic. You can take those and you actually clean them very well and enjoy them just like you can do for organic stuff. Woohoo. Same E. Let's see that. It might sound like the name of a friend, Robert, but it's short for natural compound in your body. SAM/E. Wow. SAM-E. Studies show it might control inflammation and may work as well as mainstream treatment for osteoarthritis. And the bone now. Osteo. Woohoo. You can take it by mouth or get a shot. Talk to your doctor before taking it. I mean, guys, with certain medication, including anti-depression, I think your doctor actually have to give you that, especially if you want to take shots of it. All right. Well, all the good stuff here. All the good stuff here I can enjoy, except I wouldn't enjoy this one much. That is, I wouldn't enjoy this one. I'll cross it out. And after that, I'll start with all my nuts here. my nuts, almond. And look at this. Oh my goodness. And my avocado with the salad. Ah, you know this, and maybe I can leave this for last. So that'll be like my breakfast here. Avocado, this, and this for my breakfast. This will be for my lunch, and this lunch, and that's dinner. Okay. All right, let's talk about zinc. We can not avoid zinc. The last thing we're talking about, and we're done here for this presentation because I know I'll go over better little time. Please finish watch the whole video and let me know if you like it. So all this information, and I promise to make it shorter because I don't want to ever go over 20 minutes with my presentation with you guys, because this is about, we talk about a lot of stuff, and you guys know it. We talk about a lot of stuff, and this is serious thing. This is pain here. This is pain, and we want to get rid of those pain naturally with just vitamins, supplements, and food that we eat, natural stuff. So it wouldn't be that simple. Your whole body needs this micronutrient, which can help ward off inflammation. You might already get enough zinc, huh? You might already get enough zinc in the body, in your diet. So it's in the chicken. When you eat your chicken, your meat, the red meat, you know, you get the zinc. You might already get it from, because if you eat meat, you eat a lot of chicken and fortified cereal, you know that. But that doesn't mean it might be enough. So you might have to still take your first, you talk to your doctor first if you think you might need a supplement. So zinc can also cause problem with certain drugs too. So that's another reason you also have to talk to your doctor, because there's certain of medication that you take, you might not able to take some of those vitamins we talk about. Always talk to your doctor before you practice anything online, or do your research, read, get to know your body, get to understand your health, and then moving forward in treating yourself naturally. So I thank you so all very much for your patience, for your kindness, for your time, for your endeavor, for your devotion, for your to be here, for you to be here at this time. It is my pleasure to have you. Please let me know how I do, so I can keep doing, so I can improve myself, and I can help you better. I can keep go ahead and find more and bring you some more information. Remember to share, to like, and comment, and let me know your positive and your negative. So I accept it all because I want improvement, and you can help me get there. You can help me be better. All right, this is what we are striving for, to be better. Thank you so very much. Until next time, enjoy.